Hi guys, if your Apple Watch band is not locking, then here are the fixes. So first of all, if you rotate the watch, this is the back side of the watch. So if you see in every band there is one metallic kind of thing, and if you rotate it there will be non-metallic thing. Okay, so the metallic portion of the band should come in sync with the back portion of the watch. So if you try to insert it, it will lock. Okay, if you see in every watch band, like here, there is one metallic portion. Okay, let's take it out. There is one metallic portion and there is one non-metallic portion. The non-metallic portion has a some kind of a spring. Okay, so if you press it, it will press like this. Okay, let me show you by pressing it. It will press. It is having a spring. Okay, so if you insert like this, it will go and lock. Okay, so this is the mechanism. If you just insert the metallic part to the back side of the watch, okay, that's it. So this is how you can lock in the watch band. Okay, second fix is, make sure just inspect that there is not any dirt or debris inside this area. If there is it, you will face the problem. Okay, also make sure this watch band is compatible with your Apple Watch model. So just please be sure about it, because some watch bands are not compatible with some models of Apple Watch. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek Page.